So guys, this video will help you in generating climate graph. So I have the month and the mean monthly temperature and mean monthly precipitation. First of all, I will just select all of the readings I have. Now I will click now I will click and go to the insert and click on the recommended charts. On the recommended charts, click all charts, go up to the bottom and do some modification, like here put it as line, and here give this a column, clustered column. Here you can see that I have obtained the smooth graph. Now for the precipitation I will add secondary axis and then click OK. Here I have obtained my graph which I wanted. I will just do some modification here, like for the chart title I will put for the axis, this axis and this axis. I will just go to the I will just click on the graph, go to the chart design and add chart element, axis titles, and then the primary axis. Here I have the mean of temperature in centigrade, and for on this side I will again go there, axis title and secondary axis. Here I will put my mean of precipitation in the millimeter. So this is all. Also I can modify it, like change the color of the graph. Here you can see I will just resize it, and here I have obtained my smart graph. So this is from my side. If you have any problem you can ask me in the comments.